Imagine this, you spent months planning your dream home only for a surprise storm to soak everything inside before the roof is finished. Mold, structural damage, costly delay all projects because of one overlooked step in roof drying. Today we're breaking down exactly why roof drying is critical and how to do it right. Roof drying is the process of making a roof watertight before installing the final roofing materials. This step protects the structure from the elements while work continues, but not all drying methods are equal. Choosing the right one can mean the difference between a long-lasting roof and an expensive headache. Hey, I'm Preston. I'm an assistant superintendent with AFT Construction. Today we're over in Queen Creek at Hello Gorgeous Project. Today we're talking roof dry-in and rough-in. A proper dry-in follows these essential steps. Deck preparation ensures the roof deck is clean and secure. Underlayment installation, choosing the right material and installing correctly. Flashing and seals, protecting valleys, vents, and edges from leaking. Temporary waterproofing, ensuring exposed areas are protected before final roofing material goes on. Not all underlayment are created equal. Traditional felt paper is budget friendly, but tears easily and retains moisture. Synthetic underlayment, while slightly more expensive, is durable, waterproof, resistant to UV exposure. Investing in the right materials can now save you thousands in repairs later. A solid roof starts with a solid dry-in. Whether you're building a new home or replacing a roof, don't cut corners, choose quality materials, and hire professionals who get it right. Want more expert construction tips? Subscribe for more insights that keep your projects on track. Thanks for joining me today at Hello Gorgeous, talking roof, dry-in, and rough-in. Follow along for more by subscribing. We'll see you next time.